As we all know, this is our coordinate system, and our question is to find out the coordinate of a new station. Right, suppose this is our station A and this is our unknown station B, whose coordinate we have to be find out. Suppose the coordinate of this station, this A station, is 100 100, where northing is 100 and easting is also 100. Right, so this is our, suppose this angle or bearing is suppose theta, and suppose this length is L. So we have to find out the coordinate of station B, that is northing and easting of station B. So to find out the coordinate of this station, we have to calculate first the latitude and departure of the survey line. So at first we have to calculate the latitude and departure. As we know that latitude is parallel to the north axis and departure is parallel to the east. So east or west and south or north, that is parallel. So departure is equal to, we know that, is equal to L sin theta, and latitude is equal to L cos theta. So maybe here a question is arise how this L sin theta and L cos theta comes from. So I am going to explain how this L sin theta and this L cos theta comes from. So suppose this is our mathematical x-axis, this is not mathematical axis system, so it is parallel to the x-axis and it is parallel to the y-axis, right? So after connecting this line, we have a right angle triangle which is formed between this. Suppose this angle is C, so here our triangle is ABC, where suppose this length we have to be calculate, right? So suppose L sin theta, so sin theta here in this triangle, sin theta is equal to, suppose in triangle ABC, sin theta is equal to this perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? So perpendicular here is departure, whose value is not known, and by length, this L, okay, this hypotenuse, this length. So departure is equal to, L sin theta. Similarly here this line is parallel to this line, okay, so it is latitude, means it is also latitude, it is parallel to the y-axis. So here if this angle is theta, this angle will also be theta mathematically. So here we also have another triangle, right angle triangle, right? This is 90 degree, so this angle should be, suppose this is D. So for triangle ABD, we have to find out L cos theta, right? So cos theta is equal to this by this, that means this base by this hypotenuse. So base is equal to latitude, whose value we have to find out, and this L hypotenuse. So latitude is equal to L cos theta, right? So here from this calculation we have this L sin theta and this L cos theta. For finding out the coordinate of this point, we have to calculate first this departure and this latitude, okay. After that we have to add this length and this length with this north and easting value. So then we can find out our coordinate system of point B. So suppose here I am taking this theta value is equal to 65 degree and this length is equal to 182 meter, okay. So here 182 meter. So here I am writing that this value, you can take anything and or which we have in our question. So here the value of theta is 65 degree I am taking, and L is equal to 182 meter. That's also I am taking, and the coordinate of station A should be station A is 100. Okay, that is also assuming value. So here latitude of here, so we have to find out the latitude and the departure, right? So the latitude of line AB, then how much? L cos theta, that is 182 cos 65 degree. So we have to calculate the value with the help of a calculator. The value should be the value should be 76.91, and departure of the line AB, how much? It should be L sin theta, right? So the value here I am putting the value sin 65 degree. So it is calculating after to be 164.94. So here we find out this departure and this latitude. So now we have to calculate what? The coordinate of the next point. So the formula for finding coordinate is equal to the value of known coordinate northing plus the value of latitude should be get from here. We get the northing value, that is north. Here we taking 100 plus L cos theta, that is northing value will be 100 plus cos theta value 76.91. So the northing value will be 176.91, and the departure value or easting value should be added with the departure value. That means the value of easting, the value of easting of station B is easting 100 plus L sin theta, 100 plus L sin theta. So the value will be 100 plus L sin theta, that means 164.94, right? So this value is equal to 264.94. So this is our coordinate value of station B. So what is our coordinate value? So the value of this station is easting 264.94 and 176.91. So in this method we can find out the coordinate of a unknown station with the help of a known coordinate station. Okay, if there is no matter if the value will come negative, we should also add this in a negative manner. Okay, if the value will come positive, so we simply add it with the departure and the known coordinate value. For finding the northing value, we have to add the northing value of the known coordinate and the latitude of the known station of the current line, and for finding the easting, departure plus the previous coordinate station, value of coordinate station. Okay, so in this method we can find out the coordinate of an unknown station with the help of a known coordinate station and the bearing and angle, bearing and length. Hope you understand how I am finding this coordinate. Thank you.